Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Halo Sofa when it arrives in the mail. Assembly is completely tool-free. It takes most people under 30 minutes. Step 1. Arrange your modules in the configuration you want. The Halo works as a standard sofa, an L-shape, or a full U-shaped sectional. Get them roughly into place before connecting. Step 2. Screw in the legs by hand until snug. Step 3. Connect your modules with a steel clip. Slide the clips into the bracket, press the next module against it until you hear a click. They're now locked. They won't shift or slide. Step 4. Align the arm and the backrest pieces with the pre-drilled holes. Then press them down further until you hear a click. Next, place the designated cover over the piece. Then remove the backing strip and press the Velcro strip into place. Step 5, final step. Place your cushions. Pro tip, we've included Velcro strips if you like to secure the cushion to keep them from shifting around. Fun fact, the cushion's covers zip off and are fully machine washable. The fabrics are also pet friendly and spill resistant. Just toss the covers in the washer on a cold cycle, tumble dry and low, they come out looking brand new. Step 6, repeat the process for the ottoman. And that's it. Your Mirewood Halo Sofa is fully assembled. Solid hardwood frame, high density cloud cushions, washable covers, fully modular, free shipping to all 50 states, 30-day returns, and a limited lifetime warranty. If you're interested in a Halo Collection sofa, it's in the link down below. Thanks for watching.